Alright, what is going on today, guys? I got a special Balisong, and go ahead and reveal it here. If you guys watch Brandon over at Balisong Flipping, you will know that this is a pre-release version of his Balisong, the Polaris. Get you guys a nice good look there. And let me just say, this thing, it flips really nice. Anyways, it's got the channel running down the back we got jimping, and then it's got these inlays that are nicely cut out. The handle material is 70/75, and it's got a nice PVD coated blade. Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a Balisong that's got a lot of grip, sorry, my sweatshirt, this is definitely a great option. This is going to be costing around $180, and I mean, I think for what you get, material wise, the cutouts, I mean, the profile of it, I think that's a pretty good price. Along with the knife, you also get a nice, super nice case in my opinion. It's got a nice little slot in there for the Balisong to slide into. But yeah, I mean, overall, my initial impressions of this is that for $180, it's a good flipper. It flips really nice. It's smooth. It's got lots of grip. It's not super handle bias. I mean, this thing is really nice. Comes in 3 colors: purple, red, or blue. I got the purple version, and it looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera, I can tell you that. I don't have an official date for when these are dropping, so just keep an eye out on their website. Watch Brandon's channel, he'll announce it. But yeah, I'll definitely be doing another video on this, see how it holds up, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.